Shika and welcome to the video. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to watch more videos. Also comment any ideas. So today we are going to be unboxing a VOXBOX that I got from INFLUENSTER. Basically I got this for free. It's not sponsored, nothing. It's super easy. You just download the app INFLUENSTER and I'll have a link below. They don't ask you for a credit card or anything. It's super easy. And you basically get on and you are just active on the app. So you review products that you've used, such as like a face wash that really worked for you, or a line of matte lipsticks that you fell in love with. If you bought something and you really don't like it, review it as well. And it's actually really fun. It's like Instagram, but for like beauty, makeup, like food, skincare. They have everything on there for you to review. And also another thing they have is like you can make lists, like my makeup bag lists, or products that I really want to try lists, or my favorite Tarte products lists. And it's really fun because you kind of get to organize your favorites, and you can also ask people in the community like, what's a good product for frizzy hair, or what's a good moisturizer, and people give you their opinion. And so like it's just ultimately better because it's like a place where I go to for suggestions on beauty or to see what the latest trends are. And it's really fun, honestly. Like for a while I wasn't getting on Instagram because I was having so much more fun on INFLUENSTER. But the more active you are, like the faster you'll get a VOXBOX, which is what I have here. As soon as I got this, I really wanted to open it, so I'm going to open it firsthand with you guys. And okay, so this is a box, and it comes with a little card that says Finesse VOXBOX. And the first item in the box is this red quinoa and brown rice with garlic, which I love garlic, and it's organic, which is good. Okay, so the next thing in the box is I got 2 nail polishes by Essie, and one's like a baby pink. And then the other one is a clear coat, a top coat, and this is a gel nail polish. And they're so cute. Like, I love the packaging, and I really do. I need nail polishes, so this is just perfect. And these retail for $11.50 each, so this is $20 that I got for free. And then the last product I got was Not Your Mother's Natural Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Weightless Mousse. That's probably like the longest title ever. And this retails for $9. Made with blue sea kale and pure coconut water. Adds shine, flexible hold, controls frizz, provides a touchable feel. So I really do like mousses that leave your hair soft and not crunchy. So I definitely am going to give this a try. Because sometimes I don't like to do anything to my hair, so I'll just hop out the shower and like put some product on. So this is really good, and this is a full-size bottle. And basically that's everything that's in the box. The link will be down below if you want to download the app. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe and like the video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all.